In this course, we'll explore meditation as a form of self-care, a gentle way to reconnect with your body, steady your nervous system, and cultivate a supportive relationship with yourself. So often, we move through life from the neck up, thinking, planning, analyzing, responding. And while the mind is a powerful tool, it's not the whole story. When we live mostly in thought, we can become disconnected from the signals of the body, from our emotions, our limits, our needs. We may appear calm on the outside, while something inside feels tight, overwhelmed, or quietly exhausted. There is another kind of awareness available to you, one that lives in the body. In this course, we explore meditation not as an escape or a way to empty the mind, but as a returning, a gentle coming home to yourself. You'll learn how attention works, how to notice the difference between thinking about your experience and actually feeling it, how to sense your body from within, its signals, its rhythms, its quiet intelligence. And when you begin to feel instead of analyze, something shifts. You recognize tension earlier. You soften reactivity. You respond instead of override. You begin to build trust with yourself. We'll practice grounding through body awareness. We'll work with the breath as a steady anchor for your nervous system. And we'll explore intuitive movement, allowing your body to guide you, release stored tension, and gently restore balance. This isn't about doing it perfectly. It's about learning how to listen, how to pause, how to create moments of internal safety, how to meet yourself with warmth instead of judgment. Over time, these practices strengthen something essential, your inner awareness. And awareness is where change begins. When you can sense what's happening inside you, you can regulate more gently. You can recognize your needs earlier. You can make decisions that feel aligned rather than reactive. You can move through life with more steadiness, clarity, and authenticity. Meditation becomes more than something you do in a cushion. It becomes a way of relating to yourself, gently, honestly, kindly, a form of ongoing self-care, a reset between responsibilities, a transition between work to home, a moment of grounding before an important conversation, a quiet refuge, a steady inner support, a relationship you carry with you wherever you go. You don't need any special experience to begin, just a willingness to slow down and notice, to meet yourself where you are. We'll move step by step, gently, at your own pace.